Hello all, welcome to BISPsolutions.com. Today we are going to use Oracle Data Visualizer in order to perform top N analysis, and I'll continue be using my order processing database. This is an Excel source I have, and I use this Excel source to identify some interesting patterns. So let's get started. I'm using Oracle Data Visualizer Desktop Edition, and we start with getting prepared with new project, create new project, and identify your data source. If your data source is one of them, you can select them directly. Alternatively, you can pull data from external sources as well. There's an option called create data source, and you can source your data could be CSV file or XLS file, or you can connect from external data sources as well. So I use flat file. This is my order processing flat file. This flat file you can download from our blog or from my site. There's a description about my data source file. By default, your data visualizer reads all the column detail based upon your Excel format. So data type is selected by the Excel. However, in certain scenario, if your data visualizer fail to recognize data type, you can manually customize as well and change the data type as well. For example, in this case, this is considered to be the text type, and I want to convert as a time. So you can change data type from text to time as well. So you have option to cast your column as well. Well, so assume the data source, data column properties are correct, and I click on add, and then we get started with data visualization. It has already exists, therefore I got a warning message that data views already exist. So next step, I'm going to create a visualizer. So next I'm going to create a canvas where you're going to visualize your data. So go to a visualizer and create a canvas one. If you are working experience into Tableau, you find it's very similar to Tableau worksheet. Oracle Data Visualizer is trying to create a data visualization capability same as Tableau or ClickView to compete with it. So let's get started. This is my data source. There are three measures I have: sales, operating cost, operating expense, and shipping cost. I like to see top 5 product family, right? So I'm going to create a computed column, top 5 product family based on sales. So we have a functions, the various kind of functions we have. If you know the function name, you can directly type over here. For example, I need top N analysis. I click on top N. It contains two parameters. It contains two parameters. First is expression, second is integer. So well, I want top 5 sales. So first parameter is your column, which is actually your sales. And second, I like to find top 5 product. So filter by product. Name it top 5 sales. It could be top 5 sales for product, for customer, for distribution channel. So you create a computed column over here. Now I like to display a product family. The default view is cross tabular view, but I need a combo view where I use line chart and bar chart together. Use two measures. I'm going to use a measure called operating cost as a value, your measure, and shipping cost, right? But I like to change the view type from pivot to combo view. Because I've got two measure, it makes sense to display the combo view. I don't want to see all the product. I like to see only some product. I like to see top 5 products. So you can apply filter on color, top 5 sales. Now you see top 5 products, right? Product family. Now let's change the combo view. I like to display shipping cost as bar chart, whereas operating cost as line chart. Or you can do other way around as well. Display as line chart, display as bar chart. This makes sense. As you see, my operating expenses are more than my shipping cost. Operating expenses are cumulative expenses. Let's sort them by high to low. So these are my top 5 operating expenses, and the colors are being driven by my product family, which is top 5 sales based on product family, right? What else you can do? You can apply a reference line and identify what are the product where operating cost is above average operating cost of all the products. You can do this pretty well with reference line. Reference lines are created for the same purpose. go to the properties and add a reference line. Analytics, add reference line. And I like to apply reference line on operating expenses, and my function is average. So what the line you see over here, this is average operating expenses, and all the product appear above that which has sales, which has operating expenses above average operating expenses. There's an alternate option, you can select a band as well. So probably if you work in OBI 11G or 12G, you find this option is also available there as well. Function I use an average to maximum. So all the product falls under this band is basically the product, those sales is in between average and maximum sales. In addition to this, you can also change your line type properties. If you don't want to display your line should appear like this, you can define your line type property as well. So I would like to change my line type from a straight line to curved line. This is your curved line. Right, so this is how you can see top 5 product family based on sales, and there are two majors. You have shipping cost and operating cost. This band shows the product where sales is above, where shipping cost is above average shipping cost and below maximum shipping cost. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching today's video. Should you have any question, please feel free to write to bispsolutions.com. Thank you.